least, let's welcome team number 3467
from Windham, New Hampshire, the Windham Windup.
All right, this is going to be a good match. Just got to make sure our few remaining robots have good connections.
Autonomous. And driver seat control, and the announcer was almost wrong. That human players got skill. The pollinator from the Robobeams, trying to home in on the circle. And it is good. The pollinator strikes again. Square in place. 8-11. The Cardinals. Square in hand. Or claw. Looking for the delivery. It is. In place. Good. Here comes the logo. Robobeams. Aiming. Aiming. Come on! Can squeak by 1721, the title force, who's playing some great defense. We could have two logos on the blue side of the field. And it just falls out. 25 seconds left. Are we going to see the stinger from the Robobeams? They're lining up in position. There's the and the race is on. Was up the tower in no time. Fantastic job. And only violation on team 1289. The score goes up on the board. 54-38.